Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to Grade 7 Hindi online class. How are you all? I hope you all are well and safe at home. Have you completed the notes? Have you studied everything? Already we have studied meanings, opposites, lingvachan and fill in the blanks. Today I am going to continue sentence making and question answer. So before that, once we can revise meanings, opposites, lingvachan and fill in the blanks. Okay? Listen all. Those who did not study, at least study hereafter. Okay, children? Now look here all. You have written in the booklet now. Take that booklet and look. Okay? Now listen. Here's Angrezi mein. In the booklet I have given Angrezi mein arthi likho. Write meanings in English. So rang birange, colorful. Here given range birange. So you have to write rang birange. Rang birange means colorful. Rang birange. I have given there rang birange, colorful. Next swagat. How have to read? Swagat. Swagat, welcome. Swagat, welcome. Next what bricks? Banyan tree. What bricks? Banyan tree. Next nivedan, pray. Nivedan karna. If it is nivedan karna, you have to write to pray. Nivedan, pray. Nivedan, pray or request. Next dand, punishment. Dand, punishment. Dand, punishment. Okay. Next cruel, ik plus ra, kra, cruel, cruel. What's the letter? This cruel, kra, cruel. Next this one, astra, weapon. Astra, weapon. Astra, weapon. Next swas, breathe. Swas, breathe. This one is asti, bone. Bone, haddi bone, asti bone. Next gra, ig plus ra, grahana, grahan karna, to accept. Grahan karna, to accept. Next listen here, ulte sabd means opposite words. Listen here, shant, ashant. What's mean ashant? Peace, ashant, comfort. Peace, ashant. Ashant. Next sundar, beautiful. Asundar, ugly. Sundar, asundar. Just if you add there, you will get the answer. Sundar, asundar. Next avashya, anavashya. Avashya need, it's no need. Or sure, unsure. Not sure. Avashya, anavashya. Next itna, this much. Utna, that much. This much, that much. Itna, utna. Next this is prakar, ip plus ra, prakash, andakar. Prakash, brightness, andakar, darkness. Next sukhi, dukhi. What's mean sukhi? Sukhi means happy, dukhi, sad. Sukhi, happy, dukhi, sad. Sukhi. Next listen the fill in the blanks. Khalistan, bariye. Fill in the blanks. Khalistan, bariye. Fill in the blanks. ऋषि के मुख पर अनोखा तेज था. ऋषि के मुख पर अनोखा तेज था. What's the meaning of this? ऋषि means saint. के मुख पर, on the face. अनोखा means strange or wonderful. Tej means fast, was tha. So on the Rishi's face was so brightness, or wonderful brightness. Okay, Rishi ke mukh par anokha tej tha. When he asked his born, his face was looking very bright. Okay, next देवलोक में त्राही मची हुई हैं. देवलोक में त्राही means बचाओ में means protect us, save us. देवलोक means heaven, where the devas were living. देवलोक में त्राही मची हुई. This sound they heard. नेक्स्ट दधीची पर अपूर्व शांति और प्रसन्नता थी. दधीची पर अपूर्व शांति means peaceful and happiness. When they asked his born, in that time he was very peace and he was very happy. He did not get angry to devas. दधीची पर dash पर अपूर्व शांति और प्रसन्नता थी. What is the answer here? दधीची. Dash is under the you have to underline तदीची. ओके. देवों ने हाथ जोड़कर परोपकारी ऋषि तदीची को प्रणाम किया। देवताओं ने हाथ जोड़कर परोपकारी ऋषि तदीची को प्रणाम किया। देवताओं ने देवास हाथ जोड़कर, हाथ वर्ड्स मीन हाथ हैंड, जोड़कर join their hands and परोपकारी, who was the परोपकारी? ऋषि तदीची was the परोपकारी, so benevolent. ऋषि तदीची को प्रणाम किया. He wished that they joined their hand and wished to ऋषि तदीची. Okay, did you understand this? Next, link badalo also we have studied. Link badali and vachan badali also we have studied. Listen here. Link badali means change the gender. Suppose if there is male given, you have to change into the female. Suppose there singular and plural, you have to change into the plural. Okay. Next, link badaliye Maharaja, Maharani. Maharaja, Maharani. Rakshas, Rakshasi. Rakshas, Rakshasi. Indra, Indrani. See, look here, link badaliye Maharaja means Raja. Maharaja, Maharani. Rakshas, Rakshasi is king, queen. Okay. Rakshas means demon. Rakshasi means the female. Indra, Indrani. Indra's wife is Indrani. Okay. Next, vachan badaliye. Change the plural. What is that? Devata, Deva, Devas. Devata, Devataye. Nadi, Natiyam. This Asti, Astiyam. Bone, bones. Okay. Asti, Astiya, Nadi, Nadiya, Devata, Devataye. Did you understand this? I think clear. You have to read well. Next, we can see the sentence making, today's portion. Look this. वाक्य में प्रयोग कीजिए. वाक्य में प्रयोग कीजिए. वाक्य में प्रयोग कीजिए. वर्ड्स में वाक्य में प्रयोग कीजिए. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस. Here, अचानक. वर्ड्स में अचानक, सडनली. अचानक ऋषि का ध्यान भंग हुआ. अचानक ऋषि का ध्यान भंग हुआ. वर्ड्स में सडनली. अचानक ऋषि का ध्यान. अचानक ऋषि का ध्यान भंग हुआ. Suddenly he lost his concentration. Suddenly he lost his concentration. Why he lost his concentration? Because in front of him the devas were standing. So when he was meditating, in front of him devas were standing. So his concentration lost. Okay. Next, prasannada means happy. Prasannada. What's mean prasannada? Happiness. Okay, prasannada. ऋषि का मुख प्रसन्नता से चमक उठा. ऋषि का मुख, the saint's मुख, face was with happiness, bright. His face was brightness because of happiness. Okay, his face was bright because of happiness. Prasannada. What's the word? Prasannada. Next, balsali. Balsali. Words mean balsali means brave man. Balsali. Vritraksha अत्यंत क्रूर और बलशाली हैं. So Vritrashur, they said to whom? To Tadichi they said, Deva said, Vritrashur, there was a demon Vritrashur, अत्यंत very cruel. Cruel means cruel, or balshali. Balshali means strong. He was very cruel and strong. Okay. Vritrashur अत्यंत क्रूर और बलशाली हैं. Vritrashur अत्यंत क्रूर और बलशाली हैं. Next, विचार. What's mean विचार? Think. वे कुछ क्षण विचारों में डूबे रहे. हु वे मीन्स तदीची. कुछ क्षण, few minutes, विचारों में डूबे गए. He was thinking. When he was thinking, when the Indra asked help to him, he asked his board. In that time he was thinking little. Okay. वे कुछ क्षण विचारों में डूबे रह गए. वे कुछ क्षण विचारों में डूबे रह गए. परोपकार. परोपकार एक अच्छा, benevolence. परोपकार means benevolence. परोपकार means benevolence. परोपकार एक अच्छा आदत है. परोपकार helping others is a good habit. परोपकार एक अच्छा आदत है. Helping others to a benevolence is a good habit, or helping others is a good habit. Are you clear this one? Next we can see the question answer. Look here. निम्नलिखित प्रश्नों के उत्तर दीजिए. तदीची ऋषि का आश्रम कहाँ था? तदीची ऋषि का ashram kahan tha? Where was Tadichi Rishi's ashram? Where was Tadichi Rishi ka ashram? Saraswati Nadi ke tat par tha. Where it was? It was bank of the river Saraswati. Tadichi Rishi's ashram was bank of the river Saraswati. Tadichi Rishi ka ashram सरस्वती नदी के तट पर था. तदीची ऋषि का आश्रम कहाँ था? तदीची ऋषि का आश्रम सरस्वती नदी के तट पर था. तदीची ऋषिயுடைய ஆசிரம் சரஸ்வதி நதி கரையில் இருந்தது. तदीची ऋषि का आश्रम सरस्वती नदी के तट पर था. तदीची ऋषि's आश्रम was bank of the Saraswati river. Next, देवता क्यों परेशान थे? देवता क्यों परेशान थे? Why the devas were in confusion? Okay. असुरों के अत्याचार दिन प्रतिदिन बढ़ते जा रहे थे, इसलिए देवता परेशान थे. Why they are in confusion? Because असुरों के अत्याचार, the demons cruelty, दिन प्रतिदिन, day by day, दिन प्रतिदिन, day by day, बढ़ते जा रहे थे, increasing. इसलिए सो देवता परेशान थे. सो देवास were in confusion. Okay. असुरों के अत्याचार दिन प्रतिदिन बढ़ते जा रहे थे, इसलिए देवता परेशान थे. Do you understand this? Next, third question. Look. देवता तदीची के पास क्यों गए थे? Why devas went to Tadichi? Why the devas went to Tadichi? Why they went, you know? You heard the story now? देवता ददीची के पास सहायता के लिए गए थे. For what they went? For help they went, isn't it? देवता ददीची के पास सहायता के लिए गए थे. For help they went to Tadichi. देवता ददीची के पास सहायता के लिए गए थे. देवता ददीची के पास सहायता के लिए गए थे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. संसार में तदीची ऋषि किस कारण से प्रसिद्ध हैं? इन दिस वर्ल्ड वाई तदीची विद फॉर व्हाट ही वाज, फॉर विच रीजन ही वाज फेमस इन दिस वर्ल्ड? तदीची. ओके. संसार में तदीची ऋषि किस कारण से प्रसिद्ध हैं? वाई ही वाज फेमस इन दिस वर्ल्ड? वाई ही वाज फेमस इन दिस वर्ल्ड? वाई ही वाज फेमस इन दिस वर्ल्ड? कैन यू से? संसार में तदीची ऋषि परोपकार से प्रसिद्ध हैं. Why he was? Because of the benevolence he was famed. Benevolence means one who help others. Okay. संसार में तदीची ऋषि परोपकार से प्रसिद्ध हैं. In this world he was famous because of his benevolence. Okay. वृत्रासुर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. वृत्रासुर कौन था? और द वर्ड वृत्रासुर कौन था? हु वाज वृत्रासुर? उससे मारने का क्या उपाय था? व्हाट इज द वे टू किल हिम? वृत्रासुर कौन था? हु वाज वृत्रासुर? वृत्रासुर एक अत्याचारी राक्षस था. वृत्रासुर वाज एक अत्याचारी मीन्स क्रूयल डमन. वृत्रासुर एक अत्याचारी राक्षस था. वर्ष में नहीं. वृत्रासुर से वाज क्रूयल. अत्याचारी मीन्स क्रूयल, राक्षस मीन्स डमन. उसे तदीची की अस्थियों से बने अस्त्र से ही मारा जा सकता है. हाउ वी कैन किल हिम? ही कैन किल हिम with which Tadici's bones, which weapon made by Tadici's bone, that only he can we can kill him. Okay, how we can, what is the way to kill him? उसे तदीची की अस्थियों से, अस्थियों वर्ष में नहीं, बोन्स, अस्थियों से बने अस्त्र से, the making weapons with his bones only can kill him, मारा जा सकता है. Children, I think you are clear. You all write in your note this also, sentence making and this question answer, and study well. Okay, we can meet in the next class. धन्यवाद.